Imagine walking into a room and seeing furniture that's not only functional, but also a true reflection of your style and personality. In today's world, people are seeking more than mass-produced designs. They're looking for custom, one-of-a-kind home furniture that tells a story. If you've ever dreamed of combining creativity with business, selling custom home furniture online could be your golden ticket. Stay tuned as we break down 12 actionable steps to turn your passion for furniture design into a thriving online business. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to craft, market, and sell custom furniture pieces that stand out in a crowded marketplace. Step 1. Identify your niche. The furniture market is vast, so finding your unique niche is crucial to standing out. Focus on specific styles like modern minimalism, vintage designs, or rustic aesthetics. Identify a target audience, such as homeowners, interior designers, or businesses. Consider specializing in furniture for specific rooms, like custom dining tables or office desks. Defining your niche helps you attract the right customers and establish your brand identity. Step 2. Develop your craftsmanship and skills. High-quality craftsmanship is the backbone of a successful custom furniture business. Invest time in learning woodworking, upholstery, or metalworking, depending on your niche. Create a few sample pieces to showcase your expertise and creativity. Experiment with different materials to find the perfect balance between durability and aesthetics. Your skills and craftsmanship will set the foundation for your brand's reputation. Step 3. Source materials. Ethically and sustainably. The materials you choose impact both the quality of your furniture and your brand image. Partner with suppliers who offer sustainable, eco-friendly, and high-quality materials. Look for unique materials like reclaimed wood or ethically sourced leather. Emphasize sustainability in your marketing to attract environmentally conscious buyers. Ethical sourcing not only enhances your product's value, but also appeals to eco-conscious customers. Step 4. Design a versatile product line. Your product line should balance creativity with functionality to cater to diverse customer needs. Start with essential items like coffee tables, shelves, or custom chairs. Incorporate multifunctional designs, such as storage beds or modular sofas. Offer customization options, such as size, color, or material choices to make each piece unique. A versatile product line gives customers more reasons to choose your brand. Step 5. Build a memorable brand identity. Your brand should reflect the craftsmanship, creativity, and uniqueness of your furniture. Choose a name and logo that represent your design philosophy. Create a cohesive visual identity using consistent colors and fonts. Share your story to connect emotionally with your audience. Why do you love making custom furniture? A strong brand identity builds trust and helps you stand out in the competitive market. Step 6. Set up your online store. Your online store will be the hub of your business, showcasing your products and facilitating sales. Use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Squarespace to create a professional website. Include high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and customization options for each product. Add a blog section to share design tips, furniture care advice, and behind-the-scenes content. A well-designed online store enhances customer experience and boosts credibility. Step 7. Price your furniture strategically. Pricing your furniture correctly ensures profitability while staying competitive. Calculate costs including materials, labor, and overhead expenses. Research competitors to set prices that reflect your value and quality. Offer tiered pricing for different levels of customization. Transparent and strategic pricing helps you attract customers without compromising profits. Step 8. Market your brand on social media. Social media platforms are essential for showcasing your designs and reaching potential buyers. Post high-quality images and videos of your furniture on Instagram and Pinterest. Share behind-the-scenes content such as design sketches or workshop tours. Collaborate with interior design influencers to expand your audience. Social media marketing is a cost-effective way to build your brand and connect with customers. Step 9. Offer a personalized customer experience. Personalized service is what makes custom furniture businesses thrive. Provide virtual consultations to discuss design preferences with customers. Keep customers updated on their order's progress through photos or videos. Offer flexible delivery options, including white glove services. Exceptional customer service turns one-time buyers into loyal advocates for your brand. Step 10. Expand through partnerships. Collaborations can help you grow your business and reach new markets. Partner with interior designers or home staging companies to feature your furniture. Collaborate with local artisans for unique, co-branded collections. Join online marketplaces like Etsy or Wayfair to expand your reach. Strategic partnerships can significantly boost your sales and visibility. Step 11. Focus on sustainability and innovation. Sustainability and innovation are key trends in the furniture industry. Explore eco-friendly practices like using reclaimed wood or reducing waste. Innovate with designs that are easy to assemble or disassemble. Highlight these efforts in your marketing to appeal to modern, eco-conscious consumers. Embracing sustainability sets your brand apart and aligns with global trends. Step 12. Monitor and grow your business. Continuous improvement is essential for long-term success. Analyze website traffic, social media engagement, and sales data to identify trends. Gather feedback from customers to improve your products and services. Explore new markets or product lines based on your business's performance. Ongoing analysis and adaptation ensure your business remains competitive and profitable. Conclusion. Starting an online custom home furniture business is a rewarding venture that combines creativity with entrepreneurship. By following these 12 steps, you can build a brand that resonates with modern customers and stands out in the market. If you're eager to discover even more ways to earn money online, don't miss my next video. Click on the link now to dive deeper into innovative business ideas and take your entrepreneurial journey to the next level.